Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. In this video we will explore and then check out how to install and use the new FridaRootManager, which is a semi-jailbreak which will also install Sileo, and it has a full-fledged file manager, and the versions it will support are from iOS 14.0 through the maximum 15.4.1. Currently you can install it via Trollstore. The method and the FridaRootManager is completely free for everybody, and you can check this post out by the developer at their official Twitter page, as you can see it right here, and you can get it from their official website, as you can see it right here. Also, for all the latest and greatest update, you can join their official Discord. You will get the link from their official Twitter page, as you can see it right here. Regarding tweak injection, it will come later with the implementation for KFD. Now to test FRM or FridaRootManager, I have this compatible device, which is an iPhone 7 on 15.4.1. Yes, you will need to install Trollstore first, because we will install this via Trollstore, as I have told earlier. So I have already installed Trollstore. If you don't know how to do it, the guide to install Trollstore is in the description. Trollstore is also completely free. Now first of all, open Trollstore, go to settings, scroll all the way down, and you will see URL scheme. Please enable it first, then hit rebuild now. Please wait for it to rebuild icon cache, and then your device will respring. Now you are good to go. Now go to Safari and head to the official website for FridaRootManager, as you can see it right here. Now simply hit open in Trollstore, and then simply hit open, and it will start downloading FRM. Alright, once done, you will see this dialog, hit install, and FRM will install that way, and it will show up on your home screen. You can also use a manual method. Just go to their official website and then get the IPA from here, and then you can install it via Trollstore by hitting this plus button and installing the IPA. Now let's open it. You will leave the mode to Trollstore because we have used Trollstore, and you will see Bootstrap device up above. You will have a full-fledged file manager here. In settings, leave everything as is and Bootstrap device, and wait for the process to finish. Alright, so it worked. You will see done, and now when you go back, you will see Frida utility, Sileo, Filza, and app index. Let's open Sileo, and yes, it worked just fine. Allow, accept, and you can see the version here. Yes, it says plain rootless because the developer did not include the FRM. So you can see it worked very well without any problem. You can see Filza, and you can use it to browse the file system. We have app index, which you can use to backup IPA files for your installed apps, and you have Frida utility to reassign the apps and binaries. Also, as I have told earlier, tweak injection is not supported currently in this version, but it will be added later with KFD, so stay tuned. Also, regarding the file manager with FRM, you can see that you can use it to easily browse the file system without any problem right here. Also, for example, if you want to use the terminal from Filza, you will have to install Filza using Trollstore, because the one bundled with FRM is showing some weird characters. Let me show you. /var jb. Here you will see terminal.sh. So it is better you use Filza using Trollstore if you want to use the terminal. Also, you have a terminal built into FRM, as you can see it right here. You can enter the command and execute. So if you want to install the Filza using Trollstore, you can simply open Frida utility, then press and hold filza.app so that we can remove it, and then hit remove from UI cache, and then you can safely install the Trollstore's version of Filza so that you can easily use the terminal from Filza. Lastly, if you want to remove FRM and Sileo and everything, the simplest way is to open FRM, then go to settings, then you will see tools, POSIX. Just scroll all the way down and you will see force remove jailbreak folder. Just hit it again, and it will crash. Now again open FRM, and then from here unbootstrap device and wait for the process to finish. Alright, and then you'll see done. Just go back home and now simply reboot the device. Now once your device boots up, you will see that all the apps, Sileo and everything is now removed, and you can see that you can again bootstrap the device if you want to install Sileo and everything once again. So this is the safest way to remove it. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will try to reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.